Hey, it's Ben here. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing a new software called Perkzilla. This is a new type of kind of growth hacker app, which is going to help you potentially get traffic, build buzz, and build a list exponentially. You can do things like build excitement for new launch campaigns, run contests and giveaways to grow your audience, collect email addresses, leverage all social networks. And if you don't know what growth hacking is, well, this is a technique used by companies like Dropbox to get rapid exponential traffic with no investment, no cost, which can turn initial visitors into advocates that help drive traffic for you and help build your brand for you. And basically, it's going to help rapidly build buzz via sharing and word of mouth about your products and brand, which can, of course, the end result is hopefully increase sales and build a big list without having to invest any money in ads right up front. Now, this software here, it's actually available right now. It was available before I even did the review for a monthly fee or a yearly fee. But I've been able to negotiate. I took a look at it and I was able to negotiate no monthly fee access for a very limited time only, where you can run unlimited amounts of these kind of growth hacker viral campaigns, which I'm going to demonstrate in just a second here, with no monthly fees and no yearly fees. A special exclusive offer to my subscribers only. It's only going to last for a day or so, though. Now, what can you do with this? Well, this is going to allow you to take things like your sales pages, blog pages, any type of page you have or your clients have, is you'll be able to get unlimited campaigns and use this pretty much wherever you want. But you can take a page like, for example, this welcome page here, and instead of the normal opt-in button down here where, collects their email and then they get sent a thank you email and maybe a free gift or something, what you can do is put one of these Perkzilla emails here and add some sort of reward and more specifically do something called a content upgrade campaign, where the user can opt in, and then if they refer the page, they'll get a special link, and if they refer the page, they can get an upgraded offer of whatever it is that you promised. You can offer, for example, Dropbox offered, you signed up and you got 2 gigabytes of hosting. But if you referred this to a number of people, whenever it hit a certain number, you would get an extra gigabyte, and that's what really helped grow them really fast without having to spend extra money and put them on the map. And you can do the exact same thing. For example, give away an ebook, and then if they refer this page to 5 other people and 5 other people opt in, then they get the video course that comes with the ebook. Now, also what it can do is allow you to create contests, where you can have a contest for a new launch where someone opts in for the early bird special, and maybe look at access for free or some sort of additional bonus, where you have a drawing at the launch of it, or at any specified date, where depending on the number of people they refer, they'll get more entries into this contest to be able to potentially win it. And all they have to do here is enter their email, hit submit to get their ebook or join the contest, and then you can see right away they're going to get a referral link that all they have to do is share on social media or email to friends, or if anyone else clicks this link and signs up, they'll get credit and get an additional entry into the contest, or get an additional point toward getting that content upgrade, which is going to help build your list. Instead of someone opting in and then they leave, now you can have that person become an advocate potentially. Now, also what's really cool is with this particular viral share software, they can also one click over here where it will share it right to social. So not only do they get a link that they got and share it, but you make it easy so that there's multiple people sharing it, so people they don't even know can potentially opt in, and you can get the lead. So they can just one click share it to, say, Facebook. And the cool thing is that if you have images or default featured images, what we'll do is actually load the image with the link for it to go and share, that you can optimize right away, for example, on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, and there's a lot of different networks as well. I think up to 9 networks total, which I'm going to show you inside the dashboard. Then also, as soon as they opt in, they're going to get an email like this, where you can, right now it just says welcome to N, because I was just doing a test to see if this would work or not. But you can have this email customized, and of course they're going to get their referral link, which is this, and then they're going to have the option again to share it on social media right away with whatever channels that you integrate right inside the app to start getting you traffic and getting them their points toward their content upgrade. Now, the point of the Perkzilla app was, there's some other viral reward softwares that are kind of monthly fee licenses. The whole point with this was to give you unlimited campaigns to run these on, allow you to put on unlimited pages, and make it so that you set these up in like about a minute. There's actually a demo where the creators went through and created one of these viral giveaways in under a minute. So the whole point of this is to actually get you in here and get these campaigns set up very quickly and easily. Now the way it works is you're just going to go to create a new campaign here. So I'm going to press the button, we can give it a name, and then we can have a preloaded message. For example, if we want to build like run a viral list type giveaway, you can do one of the content upgrades here. This is a discount code that they can get if they refer a number of people. So there's a number of preloaded messages, or you can just have it blank or default or none at all if you want to customize it later. We just want to give it, a quick title here. Give it a domain. This is going to be the page that it will actually be on. Then you click next. I have to give it a name up here too. And then you can customize all these settings here. And these are all the form settings. So for example, we can have them, of course, enter their email address. You want to have that. If you don't want to have them enter their name, we can click that away. If you don't want to send them an email confirmation saying, hey, are you sure you want to subscribe? You can turn that off. And also, I want to point out that all these email leads you're going to get, they can go straight to your autoresponder. They can be saved inside Perkzilla for you to download as a CSV, or be automatically added to some of the most popular autoresponders as well. Now, once we have the form, we can also go ahead and customize the style. You can add like some backgrounds, colors to make it match your brand. Then when you have it how you like, then you can customize the emails that they're going to get. So this is that the welcome email where it says here's your referral link, and here's where the social sharing icons are going to go that we can set up later. These are, if it's already signed up or unsubscribed. Then we can go to the welcome email and actually go ahead and type out everything that we want, describing what they're going to get, if they remind them what they're going to get, if they refer 5 people or refer 10 people, or how they can get more points in the contest, or some sort of CTA where they can tell them to go out and immediately do that. And then finally, you can just hit save and update, and then embed this code wherever you want, whether it's in your WordPress site, on a blog widget, on a main opt-in page or sales page, wherever you want. It's going to put this opt-in form here, like I just demonstrated, and allow you to go ahead and run the campaign. Then you're going to go down here and click next. And what's cool is you're going to be able to specify the rewards, or set up the rules for the contest as soon as you've set up the opt-in form. Now here's where you're going to be able to add all the different triggers and rewards. For example, you can have upgrade to the full course here. So they get an ebook, and then if they refer 5 people, they get an upgrade to maybe your full training course. We can choose what type of reward it is. We have choose reward here, and then we'll say 5 points if they refer 5 people. Then they get the course, and then it's going to automatically email them. It's going to keep track of all the people it's referring using the software, and send them an email saying, hey, congratulations, you earned a reward. And then you can customize how to go ahead and get the reward and set it up here automatically. Now, in addition, let's go back here. There's also all these other features that we can send. So, for example, if you run a contest and the contest is going to end at like 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we can create a trigger here where it says, hey, if it's 10 a.m. or 10 p.m., we can have an email going out saying, hey, you only have 1 more hour to the contest end, so here's where you need to take action. And that's going to motivate people, almost like a launch, to take action a lot faster. If someone has signed up but then they're not doing anything, they're not referring anything, then you can send an email here that basically says, hey, remember what you opted in for? You're really close to getting the free upgrade or the free content giveaway. Basically just a quick email reminding them to go ahead and take action to share their link. Also, you can motivate people. So if they're close, if they have 9 points and the threshold is 10 points getting their reward, you can actually send an email out whenever they get to 9 saying, hey, you're so close, just take action a little bit more, and you're going to get that free reward right away. So that's really close to actually motivating people. Really cool, allowing you to motivate people to take action. And then finally, we have the ability to run the contests. We would enter the name here. You can we'll choose winner. Now you can have a random winner where Perkzilla just automatically chooses an email from random. You can have it based on points, the number of people they refer. They're going to win the contest. You can have it kind of like a hybrid where they're going to get, the number of entries is going to give them a more chance of being drawn at random. So if they refer 10 people, they get an extra entry into the contest, and then it will do kind of a random selection, but they'll have more entries. You can do it that way too. This is another way to potentially build a viral list and get a lot more email subscribers a lot faster without having to pay for advertising. Now there's a bunch of additional features here. Like I said, you can set up your autoresponder where it will be automatically sent for you to email your list with. There's a fraud center. So if people are kind of gaming the system, entering fake email addresses, they've gone through a great deal to add this fraud protection where you can ban users or block them, or see if you think that someone, or the software thinks that someone is kind of gaming the system to cheat and win the contest. You'll automatically be able to see that, and the app monitors it 24/7, allowing you to get only qualified email leads, not kind of fake spam ones. Now also there's a lot more. There's how-to videos. There are suggestions. Now the creator said that they're going to continue to update this. They're going to add more features that people want. The previous apps are doing the same thing, so I can obviously expect this to go the same route of continuing to be supported and adding more features. And there's a lot more API key available if you're a developer. And it's one of the most affordable type of viral giveaway growth hacker type software to help you build a list and help get traffic without having to go out and spend a lot of money on Facebook advertising campaigns, and be able to do it right away, and not wait around for SEO as well. Now the only big drawback that I want to point out is that you can't actually create the pages. So this page here I think was made with lead page. So, but the box here and all this is all created right inside Perkzilla with the few clicks like I showed. So it creates the opt-in forms and does everything, as far as tracking and sending the emails and allowing you to choose the social networks and things like that. Here's all the social networks you can choose: Facebook, Google+, Reddit, Twitter, Pinterest. You can actually have all these turned on, giving them more ways to share. But you're gonna have to go out and create the page or create the blog or anything like that. It's not gonna create the actual pages for you, or do split testing. It's up to you to set all that up for yourself. But overall, this is pretty good, especially for this no monthly fee access you're going to be getting for a limited time, only available for a few days. And there's a big reseller bonus you can check out right below. So Perkzilla is something that can help your list, potentially help your business. Go ahead and check it out, as it's available again as an exclusive offer only for my subscribers for a very limited time. It will be closed up in a few days, like I said, and all the bonuses will be going away. So check it out today if this is something that could potentially help you. Thanks for watching this quick review of Perkzilla, and I'll talk to you again soon.